Welcome back to Mustang TV. I'm Michelle Hale.
And I'm Nevaeh Bush. Today we'll be learning about the power of optimism,
Take a look back at the pep assembly,
and get a sneak peek at the upcoming trip to New York.
all that and more in this episode of Mustang TV.
Our pep assembly helps our fall sport.
What have we done to prepare?
Yeah.
Mostly just working on offense and defense. I think it'll kind of get everybody amped up, ready for the season to get dubs.
Well, we're performing a lot.
Yeah, stunt team.
Dancing, cheering,
Yes, all of that.
cheering.
For the pep assembly, all the volleyball players are going to get together and do a huddle, and our coaches are going to announce our teams. I think it's going to get everyone ready for us to be really competitive because our teams together work really well together, but we're still really competitive against each other during scrimmages. I'm really excited to go to the football games and see how well we do versus SLMS and all the other teams, because I know we've had some conflicts on the social media about SLMS and UCMS, and I'm really excited to see how well the volleyball team does.
I think it'll help the seventh graders get hyped up for it, and it'll just help them more people be on the team. The games. The seventh graders can try out next year and just get to know your coaches here.
Hopefully getting hyped up. Hopefully the cheerleaders are going to get them pumped up, ready to play. Oh, they've been hitting it hard. Just running, tackling, throwing the passes, kicking the ball. Just a lot of good stuff. I'm an assistant coach, which means I help with anybody who's fallen out with heat, exhaustion, or they need water. It's about my job. I think it brings school spirit, and it gets them pumped up and ready to play.
Play football. Well, we're gonna be cheering, getting hyped and stuff like that. We've been practicing really hard.
They have had like 18 practices so far, I think, and they just work on their rotations and stuff so they can be prepared for the game. I'm excited just to be there with the team because I play volleyball myself, and it's really exciting just to see what they're working on. I think it will get more people into the sport and into the team, and then it'll probably be more exciting.
For Mustang TV, this is Charlie Huntsinger,
Emma Ellington.
Lily Winkle,
Lauren Giles.
signing off.
Today we'll be interviewing students about what optimism means to them.
What does it mean to be optimistic?
That means have an open mind.
For me, optimistic means having an open mind about everything and to be pretty positive.
Optimistic means joyful and open to everybody.
Optimistic, open-minded, and happy.
This is Mustang TV signing off with Christian, Guzman, Kevin Newberry, and Mario Murphy.
About to see this year-round school. Champion is making its comeback.
Champion's a good overall brand because it's cheap. They've got lots of great options, It's pretty high too. So, I think it's good. Lots of people wear it, so most people wear it. It's good. Makes it better. People who wear Champion are pretty icy. We've got some good personalities who wear Champion. And good overall vibes of the personality. I don't know, but they did make a few collabs, they have a collab with Supreme and stuff. It's pretty good.
It's fire.
it matches a lot. My best friend Steven owns it. Yeah. I like it because it's like a good style. And it's like a chill. It's a comfortable thing for everybody. Maybe. They're probably like in the top 5 right now. Yeah. They're kind of cool. Yeah. They're chill. Yeah, they're chill. And also, the one thing why they're not the top is their shoes. There's only one pair of shoes that's good, and those are the Timbs.
Signing off for Mustang TV, this is Lucas Berry, Stephen Perry, Micaiah Holmes, and Deja Henderson.
I think the Mustang Way is like how you should be ready in the morning and how you should always like help someone and be nice to them.
I feel like it's helped get kids prepared and ready for the day. It kind of lets them know the expectations and the tone of what we should be doing in the hallways and where we should be. And hopefully they find that it helps people move through the hallway and get to class a little faster.
I think the posters in the hallway have brought a lot of positivity to the school.
Our students, a lot of them were sometimes frustrated, I think, with how they came off the buses and had to hurry to advisory, and then 4 minutes later you had to go to first hour. And so I think that they have felt like some of the changes we've made has made it a little easier to get from place to place, and then also just know the procedures and expectations so there's not a lot of guessing involved. I just want to say I really appreciate all the hard work everyone's done in getting off the buses and getting in the buildings in the morning, and people are doing a great job of getting to class, and I really appreciate it.
For This is Mustang TV, Madison Lockhart, Sabrina Wright, Ahama Kim.
One of my favorite things, because I get to go just about every other year with students, is really getting the chance to see them experience New York for the first time. Watching their eyes the first time we walk into Times Square, and just like being totally overwhelmed. The food there is incredible. I'm so glad that we get the opportunity to eat in Little Italy, because it's an incredible, like, authentic Italian restaurant food experience.
I think it'll be a fun experience to spend time with my friends, and I want to see more monuments.
I think it'd be a fun experience to hang out with my friends and get to see new locations.
I think I learned more about history, and it's gotten me to really enjoy learning in American history this school year too.
Times Square is going to be really cool, seeing all like the bright lights and all the everything.
Me and my friends were really goofing off on the trip, so I think it was really exciting to goof off with them and mess around while also learning.
For Mustang TV,
This is Abby Flowers,
Mason Stanfield,
Ava White,
signing off.
Students will find out how hard it is to do the headphone challenge.
Because the student has to throw what the other person is saying with loud music on.
Are you listening to Free D Dog? Are you listening to Free Young Boy? Free D Dog. Free Dog. Free D Dog. Yes.
Spicy chicken sandwich.
Oranges.
Spicy
Spices.
chicken sandwich.
Huh?
Spicy
Spicy
chicken
sandwich.
Life is a box of chocolates. Camel something. Life is a box of chocolates. Laughing. Life is a box of chocolates. You have to say it louder. I can't. Life is a box of chocolates. Life is a box of chocolate. Life is a box of chocolate. Chocolate.
Spicy pickle slab.
Spicy pepper sauce.
Spicy pickle slab.
Spicy pickle sub.
Spicy pickle slab.
What? Spicy slap. Slap. Keep on slapping.
Nike is better than Adidas. Huh? Nike is better than Adidas. Nike is better than Adidas. Nike is better than Adidas.
Kylie?
No. Nike is better than Adidas. Nike is better than Adidas.
What?
Nike is better than Adidas.
Something is better.
Nike is better than Adidas.
Nike is better than Adidas.
Yes.
Signing off with Mustang TV, Billy Burks, Caden Ebert,
Carly Poppy, and Poppy Porter.